Hello friends, I wanted to introduce our new cooking series. We're gonna call it Cooking with Friends, and once a week I'm gonna invite one of my friends. We're gonna cook together and have a good time, and all these friends of mine, they have a special dish that they like to make, so we're just gonna make it together and we're gonna share it with all of you. Meet my friend Giuseppe. He's from Rome. He's an IT specialist and he loves to cook. So he's gonna be doing like a Roman specialty, which is
Carbonara.
Carbonara, the real carbonara. I attempted to do one, it wasn't the real deal, but right now we have the real deal. He's gonna show us how to make it. So we're gonna start with our basic ingredients, which are?
We have guanciale.
Yes, which is the cheek of the pig, and it has a lot of fat, but good fat. Then?
Yes, very good. Then pecorino cheese.
Yes.
Then eggs. Spaghetti.
And spaghetti, that's it.
Finish.
So, we're gonna be making for 2 people, so we're gonna be using about 120, 140 grams of pasta, and then for every 2 people, how many eggs?
3 eggs, because one for each person and one for the pan.
Yes, because some of the eggs are gonna be stuck in the pan, so we wanna make sure that every individual gets a full egg. All right, so we're gonna get started now.
Okay, let's start. We cut on cubes the guanciale. If you like a spicy flavor, you can leave this part with a lot of pepper.
As you can see how it's marbleized inside, it's like basically 80% fat, and it's marbleized inside, so this is full of flavor. So we're gonna cut them in cubes, then we're gonna put it on the saucepan. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit. Then we're adding the guanciale in the hot pan. And we're gonna let it saute for how many minutes?
5 minutes.
So the next step now is getting the eggs ready.
Yes. In order to make the cream for the carbonara.
Yes.
Okay.
We're using only the red part of the egg. The whites, we're gonna get rid of them. Meanwhile, you can tell that the fat is melting inside the pan, and it's together with that drizzle of olive oil. So those huge cubes that we had, now they're shrinking because all the fat is going in the pan.
Okay. Now we put
A pinch of salt. Very nice.
Then pepper.
Black pepper. It's essential to put pepper in there. Very well.
Okay. And pecorino cheese.
Pecorino, not Parmigiano. Pecorino is sheep milk, so it's a lot more savory and salty. So the salt from the guanciale, the salt from the pecorino, you really don't need to put a lot of salt, just a couple of pinches. We use a whisk, and we're gonna beat the eggs with the cheese, and it's gonna form a nice cream. Water is boiling, and now we're gonna add the pasta. Spaghetti, of course.
Now the pasta is ready. Okay, you can take the pasta and put there.
So we just started at very low heat. We have the guanciale cooking, and we're adding the pasta with a little bit of the water from the pasta cooking.
Then you take the cream and put inside. Some water can help.
I'm gonna turn off the heat because we don't need any heat now. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna allow the heat of the pan without fire to cook a little bit. See?
Okay, now we can put it in the dish.
Yes.
Please, Massimo.
Oh, allow me, thank you. So now we're gonna put it in the plate. Make sure we have plenty of pasta with the pancetta on top. Need to have fat. Excellent.
And then the final touch. Some pecorino cheese and pepper.
Okay, excellent.
The carbonara is ready. Massimo, what do you think?
Let me taste here. Looks good, smells great. Yum. Amazing. Let me get a little bit of guanciale. The guanciale is crispy, an explosion of flavor. The pasta is cooked to perfection. We cooked it al dente. It's supposed to cook for 12 minutes. We stopped at 10 and then kind of finished cooking. The eggs are creamy, and then the savory, the pecorino is just the best. Excellent. Thank you, Jeppo, for coming over.
It was a pleasure.
Yes, it was great. It was our first one. We love it, and we're gonna keep doing it. Having fun, cooking some good food. Ciao, to the next one.
Ciao, ciao.